Hi everyone! Welcome back to Mona's Kitchen. For today's Baking 101, we will make Pandesal. Pandesal is a soft Filipino bread roast filled with Leche Flan. Are you ready? Let's get baking! We will need 2 cups of plain flour, 2 cups of bread flour, Leche Flan, 1 1/4 cup of fresh milk, 1/2 cup of white sugar for the dough, 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 cup of white sugar for the caramel, 1 medium egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a medium bowl, combine the plain flour, bread flour, sugar, instant yeast, salt, and baking powder, and mix them together. In a bowl, in a stand mixer, add the milk, melted butter, oil, and the egg. Then, add the flour mixture, then knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes on a medium setting. If your dough is too sticky, add a bit of flour, about 1 tablespoon at a time. But make sure that you just add enough flour and not too much. After kneading, transfer it into a greased bowl. Cover it with tea towel and let it rise for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once it has already doubled in size, transfer it into the work surface. Cut it in half. Shape it into a log. And cut it into 8 portions. Then, shape it into a ball. Flatten each ball and put 1 cube of leche flan in the center and cover it and pinch the dough to close. And roll it. Then, coat it with breadcrumbs and transfer it in a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Then, cover this with tea towel and let it rest for about 30 to 40 minutes. Bake this in a preheated oven of 175 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or until the top is golden brown. After baking, brush the top to remove excess breadcrumbs. In a pan over low heat, add the sugar and let it completely melt. Once the sugar has already completely melted or is already caramelized, dip each pandesal, but be very careful as the caramel is so hot. And here's our finished product! This Pandesal is soft and is filled with creamy and yummy leche flan, perfect for an afternoon snack. This is what it looks like inside. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!